So today we're going to install our mesh onto this here gable vent. We're going to attach directly to the metal, which is exposed on this one. Often you'll see with a stucco house like this, the stucco may be over the metal, in which case you want to make sure to use a masonry bit when drilling through that stucco to attach to your metal frame. I'm going to go cut it and we'll come back and put it up. So we've got our mesh already cut and bent, and we're going to install it with metal screws since we're going right into this metal frame. Now I like to use a self-tapping metal screw with a hex head. You can also get pan head screws. These have a nice trim head, which I like. And it's going to pierce the metal on its own. I'm just going to set it up, poking it through the corner here. If at any point when you're on the ladder you feel uneasy, take a break, get yourself down. It's not the easiest thing to be drilling over your head on the ladder, so be safe before anything else. And that's that. If you need help with installation, if it's a little bit over your head or you want things to be a little bit more manicured, reach out to us at our website, shearmanbuilders.com, and check out wildfiredefensemesh.com for more ideas of how you can protect your home from wildfire.